If you are running a mass tort practice today, you need to ask yourself if your docket is truly secure. Right now, state legislatures and bar associations are cracking down hard on third-party lead sellers and unauthorized referral services. The reality is that the traditional lead generation model is broken. Regulatory bodies are increasingly scrutinizing the mass acquisition of plaintiffs, and if you are currently paying a flat fee for a signed case, you may be violating professional rules of conduct regarding fee splitting and unauthorized referral services. It is time to stop buying signed retainers and putting your firm at risk. At Mohr Marketing, we offer a solution that allows you to build your docket with a joint advertising model that ensures full compliance with strict ethical mandates while delivering high-volume, fraud-free claimants. We want to be clear, we do not sell leads. We operate a joint advertising and administrative support program where you pay strictly for the media spend and the administrative intake labor. This provides full transparency, giving you real-time accounting access to track your media budget. Crucially, this model gives you, the attorney, control. You retain full liability for the advertising content, ensuring your firm stays within bar rules. To further ensure compliance, we have built a wall of separation for your protection. We separate the marketing strategy from the intake process. Mohr Marketing provides the national or regional media buying and AI-driven marketing strategy, while a separate entity, Legal Support Cases, handles the dedicated inquiry handling, call center services, and document handling. Neither entity recommends specific attorneys to consumers. Mass tort marketing is currently plagued by bots and duplicate filings, but we use state-of-the-art technology to ensure your intake team isn't wasting time on fake leads. We employ Scammer Scrub, which scrubs all inbound and outbound inquiries against a database of serial plaintiffs, and Lawsuit Mill litigators to prevent fraud. Additionally, we use ideology verification, a real-time, on-demand identity verification system that emulates banking-level security standards. On the marketing side, we utilize AI WebTracker to track active website users seeking legal help, creating detailed user profiles that allow us to target the right plaintiffs at the right time. This is precision logic. We do not use generic forms, but build qualification logic around the specific criteria of your MDL or class action, confirming diagnoses, injury history, and timeline adherence to statutes of limitations. Legal Support Cases delivers these claimants ready for legal review, directly via email, API, or Dropbox. There is a limit to how many clients we can onboard per litigation to ensure quality, so secure your market share today. Contact Mohr Marketing at 866-695-9058 to discuss your target litigation.